Hi guys, the steering rack of a Mercedes to go for a very long time. It all depends on the condition in which the anthers were on it. If the anthers have broken through the water, sand has entered the inner steering rack, then such a steering rack will not last long. The fact is that there are oil seals in the rail cylinder, which must be replaced after a leak. The oil seals fails due to the ingress of solid particles that can even damage the steering rack rod. The steam is either ground or, in the worst case, greened or changed. Intoxicated, if you follow the answer, then such a rail will last not 3 or 4 years. For all the time exploitation, once went over the steering rack. On the channel I have a video on dismantling and replacing all the steering rack oil seals. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.